this like agriculture university. When we were coming, I was even telling vice chancellors are also that agriculture universities have so much because you have such powerful lobbying. Today, Raita is the most powerful lobby. You agriculture universities are the one of the important organization or entity that can influence this powerful lobby. ಕೃಷಿ ಮೇಳ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ರೈತರಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಲಕ್ಷಾಂತರ ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಂಥ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಂಥ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ನ ಈ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ನ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದೋಸ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ with the cause of conservation. Today what happened, the urban cameramen, they have become the focus of conservation because they talk about wildlife, they talk about conservation kind of a thing. But the day farmer of the land start talking about conservation, then only conservation will be successful. And for that to happen, such kind of conferences, this kind of open debates, brainstormings, okay, finding out mid path between different divergent opinions about Western Ghats. Only when we find that mid path and only when we are able to influence the farmer at large about the importance of this Western Ghats, then only we will be able to save, conserve forest, wildlife at large. Otherwise, Kaki will be fighting, the academia will be writing. ಇಬ್ಬರು ಜಗಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಗಂಡ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಜಗಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಗು ಬಡವಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದಂಗೆ ಇಬ್ಬರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಘಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟುಡೇ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 21% ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 100%, 80% is habitated by one species. What is that species? Human species. Rest 20% is for other ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ 20% ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ is also used by that species for timber, minor forest produce, honey, grazing. It is being used by one species. It is not free from disturbance. Only 20% of the 20%, that is only 4%. Today is whatever we call it as protected area. Only 4% of land, geographical land today in Karnataka is so-called undisturbed. But the irony is there also people are there. In Nagarona National Park there are 1,000 families. In BRT there are around 2,000 families. In Dandeli you go there jana idara anta helbiಟ್ಟು there are people. Unless otherwise we understand the whole thing in right perspective and try to safeguard that 4% of that final destiny that is available for what I was mentioning of these characters, genes, biodiversity, future, BT, all those things. Only 4% is land is available. If that is not safeguarded, if Western Ghats is not safeguarded, things will be very difficult. Okay, we have already started seeing it happening, but we don't know what is there for the future. So it is high time that we understand this whole sector in its entirety, and everybody has to act. Okay, then only it will be possible. And today I'm so happy that a small beginning is happening to bring in different viewpoint people here and then discuss, deliberate on those issues. And then these kind of things should happen very frequently, very regularly, at different levels. Okay, at different levels of the society, so that the conservation of Western Ghats, for which we all, which is so dear to us. But one ಮಾತಿದೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ವೇದ ಸುಳ್ಳಾದರೂ ಗಾದೆ ಸುಳ್ಳಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೊಂದು ಗಾದೆ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ, ಹಿತ್ತಲ ಗಿಡ ಮದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಗಾದೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಗಾದೆನ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಮಾಡೋದು ಸುಲಭದ ಮಾತಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ಲು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಆ ಗಾದೆನ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಘಾಟ್ಸ್ ಉಳಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶೂರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈವ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. I thank the organizers for inviting me to share some of these few thoughts before all of you. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.